Must-have lunch supplies for school, essentials for a smooth day. Insulated lunchbox. Keeps food fresh and at the right temperature, making sure lunches are safe and appetizing. Look for one with multiple compartments for easy organization. Reusable snack bags. Eco-friendly and perfect for keeping fruits, veggies, and snacks fresh. Easy to clean and great for reducing waste. Leak-proof containers. Essential for packing soups, salads, or any dish with liquids. Reusable water bottle. Keeps kids hydrated throughout the day. Opt for a bottle with a built-in straw for easy sipping. Compact utensil set. Perfect for eating on the go. Ice packs. Helps keep lunch cool and safe. Thanks for watching. Like and sub.